Well, hey guys, in today's review, I want to talk about this huge fan someone sent me to review. This thing is incredible. This is the largest fan that I've ever used in my shop or even just had in general. I really like it. There's a lot of cool features about it. Number one, it's super easy to put together. It comes really all put together. All you have to do is put the wheels on there, and that's just like 2 screws. So you pop those screws in, and then you're ready to go. It has, some feet down here so it can rest, which is nice. Also has 2 handles. On this side, you can see a handle here, so you can move it around. And then also another handle here as well, just one on this side. So again, you can pick it up, move it around, do whatever you want to. But you can see how tall this is. I think it's the 42-inch, again, option, and it's super tall, which is crazy. So if you have like a large shop or a shed, this is definitely something that's gonna work for you and gonna do a great job. As you can see, it has 3 blades, really easy on that. And again, pretty basic on everything else. I like how small these little slats are. I got a bunch of little kids, and this way they're not going to be able to put their fingers in there, so that's nice, pretty safe. On the back side, it does have all the stuff, and I'll show you that as that. I'll flip it around. So here's the back side of the fan. Again, it's pretty basic, super easy right there, which is nice when you have something like this. You don't want it super complicated. Right here, you have your control. You got 1, 2, and 0. So again, you got one, like a low and just a high. So it's not really nice or off. You also have a place right here where you can actually keep your cord. So if you have it like right how I have it right now, we're not using it. You can hook it on here, and it's easily, it just stays right there. Also a nice protective grate back here in the back, so nothing can get in there. No little fingers and that kind of stuff can get in. So again, pretty nice right there. Like I said, the tires, all it is 1 screw. Pop that screw in there, then you're ready to go. But this thing can blow and can move some air. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up, and we're gonna see how well it does. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and show you how well this does. Got a little bit of sawdust right here, right below the fan, so you might not be able to get all of it, but we're just gonna show you guys the 2 different settings right here. We have the low, and just on the low setting, you can start seeing stuff move all around here. This is a really strong fan and can definitely blow stuff. You can even see it blowing items past my truck right there. That is a long ways away here in the video, but has moved most of that sawdust pretty quick. But you can see this thing can get going very fast, and then when you bump it up to the 2nd level, this thing is cruising. This thing is very strong and blows a ton of air and can move just about anything you see right there. All that sawdust is gone immediately, and it is blowing stuff all over the place. And like I said, you can see it moving here in just a moment. That's a close-up of the actual settings right there that I was showing you earlier, but it is blowing stuff now past my truck and even under it, which is a pretty good ways away. So this is a great fan. I really like it. Super easy to set up. Blows really well, and it's also pretty lightweight, so you can move it around anywhere you need to, but it's heavy duty. I think it's going to last a long time. But this is something we're definitely excited about, whether it's just in our shop or just right outside here on the carport, that we can just blow off and cool off a little bit in this summer. I think it's definitely going to be a great option for that. I like the handles and all the other options. Overall, highly recommend this item. If you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there, and feel free to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another video.